In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Obor Dropshipping to Shopify. To begin, you will be using your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are already logged in so you can follow along without interruptions. When you are ready, look at the left side of the screen. There you should see a vertical menu with several options. Your goal here is to find the area where Shopify lists installed tools and apps. So go ahead and click Apps in the left sidebar menu. After you click Apps, take a moment to confirm that you are now on the Apps page. This page is important because it is where you can search for new applications, manage existing ones, and install software that connects to your store. You will usually see a search bar or an area where Shopify suggests tools. But even if the layout looks slightly different, the next step is the same. Now, search for the app using the keyword Obor. Click inside the search box and type Obor. As you type, Shopify may show matching results. Continue until you see an option for the Obor Dropshipping app. This search step matters because it prevents you from installing the wrong tool, and it also makes the installation process faster. Once you locate the correct result, click on it. In most cases, you will be taken to the app's information page. Here, Shopify typically shows details about what the app does, how it integrates with your store, and what capabilities it provides. While this information is not the installation itself, it is a good moment to quickly verify that you have selected the correct app before continuing. After you have opened the app page, you should see an install option. Click Install to start the installation process. If a button labeled Install is not immediately visible, look for a clear call to action that begins installation, since Shopify often uses consistent wording for these buttons. At this point, Shopify may guide you through a permissions screen. The permissions screen is where the app requests access to certain parts of your Shopify account. Before you move forward, carefully review what Shopify is asking for. This review helps you understand how the app will connect to your store and what it may be able to do, such as managing product listings or working with checkout and order updates. Take a moment to read the permission details shown on the screen. When you have confirmed the permissions and you are comfortable proceeding, click Install App on the permissions screen to confirm. This is the final confirmation step for the installation. After you click it, Shopify will complete the setup and install Obor on your store. Now that the app is installed, you can expect Shopify to load confirmation details or redirect you to the app status area. Depending on your store and network speed, this might take a few seconds. If the screen refreshes or changes pages, that is normal, and it means the installation is being completed. Finally, once the installation finishes, you should be able to return to the apps area and see that Obor is available on your Shopify admin. If you are following along on screen, look for signs that the app is installed and ready, such as the app listing appearing under your apps, or a status that indicates it is active, that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.